go over the plan.
Okay. I see it like this. We go to the bank, we go in, we get the money, we say bye. And we retire to the Bahamas.
That's not realistic at all.
Well, how would you do it then? I was on board until the lightsaber.
We're wasting too much time. Let's just go. That was harder than I thought.
I wasn't expecting that the security guard would have 2 eye patches.
And the alligator.
Yeah, that too. Crazy.
Let's do this.
Hello, I'm the old man. I knew someone would team up to rob this bank eventually. I've been in this vault for 55 years. And I know you're wondering, where's the treasure? Well, the only real contents of a vault that matters is the vaults of your hearts that contain the vaults of the friendship of your love that contain your love and your hearts.
So there's no money?
Oh, who needs money when you...
Get him!
Ow! Ow! My leg! My leg! My other leg! My other leg! Oh no, not that leg! Anything but that leg! Oh no! Although I am very happy we're doing this together. It's not just any friends who can beat up an old man in the vault together. Oh, my leg!